This is probably the only convertible that I will ever truly love and enjoy and want to own or drive. This is the 2017 991.2 911 Turbo S cab. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to HBI Auto. Today we are taking a drive in probably one of my favorite spec Turbo S cabs I've ever seen. It's a beautiful black with red interior. You got a silver exterior, carbon ceramic brakes, and you have a 0 to 60 in like less than 3 seconds. What more could you ask for in a car that looks good, performs good, and has enough room for the whole family? You could put the whole family back here. Small kids, but you could put the whole family back here. So we've reviewed Turbo S's on this channel before, so I'm not gonna get too crazy into the details and everything, more so showing the spec and enjoying the drive of this one. Now with the 991.2, you have a couple more enhancements to the drive, a little bit more bump and power. Obviously the interior aesthetics have improved a little bit. And if you're curious already, go ahead and click the link in the description below. You can check out more photos and get in contact with the team about picking up this Turbo S. Again, this is a really ideal summer car for those that are really speed enthusiasts, really just love to drive, and they want something that is stylish, sporty, but also, you know, you take the top down, you enjoy the late night, date night adventure, and you just cruise with this thing. It's so diverse and capable of so many different things, and I love it for that. So this is the interior of this 2017 991.2 911 Turbo S cab. This one has 8,900 miles on it, barely broken into. The previous owner clearly took really good care of this car, considering how clean this interior is and how clean the exterior is. I really love this steering wheel, black leather steering wheel. This is a heated steering wheel, so if you chose to drive this car in the summer, or I mean in the winter, you could really enjoy you know, that nice heated steering wheel. You've got black with red deviated stitching, carbon fiber, and you have red. This is again one of my favorite combinations that you can do from the factory. Moving into the center console area, you've got more carbon fiber following in that center plate area. Are heated and cooled seats, so it's a huge major bonus. You also have carbon fiber on the PDK transmission right there. 7-speed transmission, very, very fast. Looking at the seats, really nice red, kind of the sport back seats. Again, heated and cooled. These are fully automatically adjustable, and they're just so comfortable. They hug you just as much as, say, a Recaro seat does, but gives you that comfort of a daily driver seat. So this is what this 2017 911 Turbo S is looking like. A beautiful and stunning silver exterior. Like I mentioned earlier, you have center lock wheels on here with carbon ceramic brakes. Phenomenal option. Only thing I would change is changing that yellow to kind of match the red or do black. I don't know. I love this. Is probably my favorite angle to look at a Turbo S, just because of how aggressive that aero is. You have the nice rear end back here, especially with the updated 991.2 look, where you have this new deck lid back here. All of that air just being sucked into the engine to cool it off. You have a dual quad tipped exhaust that is a sport exhaust that gets louder, and you can get really good backfires and burbles out of this one. Getting a better look at the interior from the outside. Look at how cool that is. It's so clean, it's so organized in here, and I love how it all just flows together. Is that you actually have your fire extinguisher right there. Now you don't really see that too common with these cars, just because this isn't considered like a street or like a GT car that much, but it is really cool that you can option it with that, and it's one of those little like subtle flexes in my opinion. This is what the car looks like with that top up. It still looks just as good. And I, again, just really love how this flows. I don't know what it is about this convertible, to be honest, but it works really well for me. I'd probably drive it primarily with the top down, just because I think it looks a little bit better. But just my 2 cents. This is the only convertible that I would ever drive. But that is going to wrap it up for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you're interested in this 911 Turbo S cab, I've left the link in the description below, like I said earlier. Check out more photos, get in contact with the team about picking up this 8,900 mile 2017 Turbo S. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.